Six units of the Rudram-2 new generation anti-radiation missile has started manufacturing, while the software-level integration with the Su-30 fighter jet has already been completed, and the Indian Air Force will test the Rudram-2 in the first quarter of 2022. The Mach 4-capable Rudram-2 missile carries a 200 kg warhead, and has a maximum range of 350 km, and will be equipped on Su-30 and Tejas Mark II fighter jets to destroy fortified ground-based targets. A new derivative known as the Rudram-2A, with additional sea-skimming features and enhanced sensors, will be developed for the TED-BF fighter jet, that will destroy moving sea-based targets. Interestingly, the 600 km range Rudram-3 will also start captive flight trials from a Su-30 aircraft very soon, and 20 limited series units of the Rudram-3 missiles have already started manufacturing that will be used in developmental testing phase, and it will have a hypersonic speed at the terminal stage. The 8x8 wheeled armored vehicle jointly developed by Tata Group and the DRDO has finally impressed the top generals in the Indian Army, and the Army will place a small-scale order for the platform in 2022. It will cost 23 crore rupees per unit, that is 50% cheaper than Western origin infantry carrier vehicles in this segment, and also gives the option to the user to be adapted for different requirements and various configurations as proposed by the Tata Group. The Vice Chairman of the UK-India Business Council Richard McCallum has said that he has asked the British defence companies to look at India as a place to invest, co-create and co-develop defence systems, and eventually export from India. He also said that UK defence firms are very keen to collaborate on the AMCA 5.5 generation fighter jet program, and the Project 75I that aims to build 6 next-generation conventional submarines, as British firms have already supplied critical equipment for Spain's S-80+ submarine and Korea's KSS-3 submarines. India has quietly deployed the Shaurya surface-to-surface missile at strategic locations identified by the Indian Strategic Forces Command, and the approval for its induction and deployment was given by the Modi government in October 2020. The Shaurya missile has a range of 1,900 km with 200 kg warhead, and 700 km range with 1,000 kg conventional or nuclear warhead. It is stored in a composite canister for rapid deployment, and has a hypersonic speed of Mach 7.5 even at low altitudes, and hits the designated target at Mach 4. The Indian Army plans to procure a modern 3D active electronically scanned low-level lightweight radar that will be used for threat detection and response along the northern and eastern borders with China. It should have a range of 50 km with tactical control of air defense weapons, and this project will be done in partnership with the local industry, as the import of low-level lightweight radar has been banned by the government under the negative import list. The weapon control system of the Indian Navy's Scorpion-class submarines was fine-tuned for operating the Black Shark torpedoes, due to which the Navy could not switch to alternative heavyweight torpedoes, and choosing the German Seehawk Mod 4 torpedoes and French F-21 heavyweight torpedoes would have required upgradation of the software and hardware of the weapons control system in each submarine. With the lifting of the ban, the Navy can now procure the Black Shark torpedoes directly under emergency basis, while the work continues on the DRDO's indigenous submarine-launched heavyweight torpedo program. Leonardo is also open to offer the Vulcano 127mm naval guns to India, as well as advanced missiles and radar systems. India has made an offer to 12 Indian Ocean region countries at the Goa Maritime Conclave for supplying advanced military equipment, upgrading maritime hardware and software, surveillance equipment, as well as cooperation in patrolling the exclusive economic zones. A Make in India exhibition was also conducted to showcase indigenous defense industrial capabilities to the foreign navies, while the Indian Navy Chief held bilateral discussions with the foreign Navy chiefs.